Hello everyone, I am Rohan Patwardhan. Today I am going to demonstrate you two new actions supported by OpenSpecimen with version 10.x. They are Container Checkout and Container Check-in. Many of the times the freezer facilities store the specimens in boxes or drawers and racks and everything, and researchers and send it to researchers for on temporary basis, and researchers return it back to the freezer facility in some time. To record all such activities, these two features are now supported. So for checkout, it will remove the container from the position. It will still block the position of the original container. uh, it will allow all specimen related activities to be performed within the container. A transfer event is added to all specimens present inside the container or any of the descendants of the container. So, for example, if you check out the rack, uh, all the specimens that are stored in the boxes that are present under the rack, all of them will have this transfer event. And the check-in, it is nothing but the return of the checked out containers. So another transfer event is added to all specimens within the container or its descendants. So let's see how it looks in the environment. So let's just say we have one box with multiple samples, and this box needs to be checked out or sent out to the researcher on temporary basis. So I'm going to copy the unique name of the container. You can also use barcodes. I'm going to go on containers page, click on actions, go to checkout. I will paste the unique name over here. If I have scanners and I'm using barcode, I need to check this checkbox. I can do multiple checkouts at a time. I just need to have comma separated values. So I'm just making one more. Once I add, if the boxes are present, they will appear in this list. Next, I need to add a reason. Send to researcher. I can copy first to all. The person who is logged in, that will be defaulted over here. I will submit it. You will see two containers are checked out. So I'm coming back to my box. I'm going to refresh this page. The checked out containers can be identified in two three different ways. So the first way is within the rack or within the parent container. The checked out containers are moved at the bottom. So you will see that B1 and B2 are now moved at the bottom. The status is changed from active to checked out. So amber colored icon is seen over here. If I go to the rack view, I will see that the positions are blocked. And if I select any of the box, I will see a checked out status at the top. So this is how you will see the checked out status. Uh, if you observe, all the specimens that were present within the box, they are still there. I can open any of the specimen. Because of the checkout, one transfer event is added on this specimen. So if I select the event, you will see that from which location now the box is moved, and the reason for checkout is also mentioned over here. That is sent to researcher. So similarly, all specimens will have similar kind of transfer event. Now let's see how to check in the boxes again. Similar to checkout, we have to come to containers list view page, click on actions, click on check-in, add comma separated values for both the boxes, click on add, Click next. Now if you see the parent container, where the boxes were originally checked out and their positions, they are automatically populated over here. I can again add the reason. I can copy first to all, click on submit, and now I'm going to refresh this page. Yeah, both the boxes are back in its own position with the status active. Another event will be added in the specimen, so I will again open one. So another transfer event has been added to this specimen. If I click on this, it will say check-in returned by the researcher. Thank you.